I have a problem. Every time I'm working or traveling, my phone seems to die when I need it the most. And the worst part, I'm juggling between stands, cables, and I'm just trying to figure out, why doesn't anyone just make a device that takes care of everything? Why do I need 3 different things to do one job? Well, I found something that fixes all that. These are the X-Stand wireless power bank from XYZtech. Power bank and a phone stand in one. It's got a clean magnetic design that holds up your phone in place while charging. No cables, no clutter. And look at this, built-in stand so I can FaceTime, scroll, or watch videos while my phone charges. Perfect for when I'm on the go. It's compact, rechargeable by USB-C, and works seamlessly with MagSafe phones. I've literally been using it since I got it. So yeah, problem solved. No more battery anxiety, no more messy cables. Get yours from XYZtech. Your phone and sanity will thank you.